to my channel, Ashotoftracy. I am about to get started with a video. So watch me turn from this ugly face to real cute, you know? So right here. And we're going to use it as a toner. It's not really the witch hazel that I used, but I can't find the other witch hazel. So we're just going to use that for now. And we're going to take it in a cotton ball like so and just tone up our face. Just tone up the face. And I just washed my face with a bar of cleansing soap, actually Dial antibacterial soap. And if you want to see a skincare routine, just let me know. I'll put a picture of my before and then my face now. So just gonna fan dry this, and then also I'm gonna use some handy dandy Vaseline for these dry lips. So we're gonna put some Vaseline on my lips. You know how that goes. Some fading cream. And put it in like my dark spots right here. Just kind of lighten them up. Just a dab. Put a little bit on the back of my hand. That much. And then just rub it into my skin. Go ahead, baby. And just rub it into my skin. I didn't say get in my video. Just had to show yourself. And then just gonna rub that in. And then we're gonna take this Dual Effects moisturizer, the Target brand, but I actually like the actual Clean and Clear brand because this brand kind of leaves like a cast on.
Let's go now.
Eyebrows, they're done. Now let's get to this face. So what we're going to be using today is the Desi and Katie Friendcation palettes because I haven't really used it. So this is how the front looks. It's so pretty, and this is how it looks. Real pretty colors. Boom, boom, boom. Concealer. And we're gonna conceal these eyes like nobody's business.
Ooh.
Hi guys, so this is the final look. Hope you like it.